Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for audio on Instagram. If you're looking to find the perfect sound for your next reel or post, you're in the right place. Instagram has made it easier than ever to discover and use audio, and we're going to walk you through the simple steps to do just that. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. This ensures you have access to all the latest features, including the ability to search for audio directly. Now let's dive into the process. Open the Instagram app on your device. You'll see a menu at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Explore icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This will take you to the Explore page, where you can find trending content and discover new sounds. Once you're on the Explore page, tap on the search bar at the top. Here, you can type in what you're looking for. If you have a specific song or artist in mind, type their name. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even search for keywords like trending audio or funny sounds. After you've typed in your search query, click Enter. Below the search bar, you'll see a few options. Swipe across these options until you see audio. Tap on this to filter your search results to only show audio tracks. Now, you'll see a list of audio tracks that match your search. You can preview each track, see how many reels have used it, and even save it for later. If you find a sound you love, you can use it immediately to create your own reel. Browsing through trending reels is another great way to discover new audio. Tap on the Reels tab, scroll through, and if you hear a sound you like, tap on the audio name at the bottom of the reel. This will take you to the audio page, where you can explore more content using that sound. Finding the right audio can elevate your content and make it stand out. With these simple steps, you're all set to explore the world of Instagram audio and create content that resonates with your audience. Happy creating!